Okay, then washing the plate. Today we're gonna buy computer kasi gagawin natin ng garahe natin. Ito. Yan. Gagawin natin garahe as a computer lab. Ito ng kotse natin guys, oh. Okay guys, tara na. Alis na tayo. Light on. Mabilis ang gagawin natin. Kasi ang gagawin natin ay lagyan ng computer sa garahe lang. Ayun. Okay, parking tayo dito. Oh, hello, sir. Hello. Hello. Oh, hi. Do you have any like gamer set? Gamer set? Gamer set. Why? We have two? Okay, where? You choose, okay. Pwede ito guys, pero ito maganda o gamer. Guys, what do you think? Comment down below. I'm gonna choose. Ito na lang. Abi, ikaw nito. This one. How much? How much is the total? Kasi hindi natin alam kung magkano. 12,000. Okay, mahal ah. Oh, here. Keep the change. Okay guys, meron tayong computer set. Ilagyan na lang natin dito stop kasi hindi kasi yata. Yan. Okay, thank you, Bacon. Dito tayo magdaan sa highway para mabilis. Dito na tayo daan. Bro, I'm not good at driving, but okay. Guys, I'm really thinking kasi pwede na tayo gawa ng ating sariling business. Malapit tayo. Okay. Oh, now they call self-parking. Anyway, yes. Okay, we're gonna have... Okay, let's go. Guys, speedrun ko lang itong video ha, para hindi kayo maingip. Okay? See you! Para magandang tingnan, ilaw. Of course, lightning. Una computer na lang muna. Ang isa sa gitna para sa pumunti. Server room natin para kung may technical problem, maayos na natin. Ayan. Para hindi sila mainip, lalagyan natin TV wall. Okay guys, wag na lang. Okay guys, last part na lang guys. And then malapit na tayo yung month natin na tayo tapos. Okay. Okay. Golden play button guys. Itong gusto ko guys natin maabot 100k. Yan, dito natin lagay. Okay, then lagyan natin din ng ilaw para maganda tingnan sa mata. Okay. Oh wait, that's one. We forget. Computer. S. ₱10 computer net. Yan, 10 pesos lang. Kaya din natin kung sino gusto magbili. Ay, kung sino gusto maglaro. Yan, open lang natin lahat ng pintuan. Okay guys, antayin lang natin ng sino gusto magpunta sa atin. Anyway guys, I very thank you guys kasi tuloy-tuloy hindi pa sinusuporta ako. Malaking tulong ito sa akin. Salamat guys. At sa mga dyan. Okay guys, someone will come. Oh, someone's doorbell. Oh, Beacon! You again, who sell me? What's up? How are you doing? How are you doing, Beacon? Did you good? Okay. It's very good because oh yes, you can play, but it needs for a game. Yes. Only ₱5. Yes. How many hours? How many hours? 10 minutes, 10 hour. Please tell me your minute. Okay, that costs like 300k. 300k? No way. Don't tell me giving me 300k. Okay, thank you. Wait. Okay, you can play computer. Doon ka sa dulo po. Dulo ka. Sa dulo. Sa dulo ha. Saan? Dito banda? Sa play button. Okay. Galing natin guys, oh. Diba? Happy Halloween! Okay guys, this track is so early. Happy Halloween, pero hindi pa November. So, okay guys. Guys, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko dito. Itatapon ko yata yan. Anyway, maybe that's all for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I wish you like my content. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. See you again to another day. Peace out and subscribe. Yow!
Parang batang nananabik, napapansin mo ba?